movement, transfer, deposit, withdrawal, and any or closing of these bank accounts that are covered by the freeze order. Meaning po, hindi talaga pwede na siyang galawin. Regarding the possible withdrawal of those bank accounts of persons or not yet including the case, ang magagawa po natin dyan, we can still look into those bank accounts where funds are withdrawn, and the banks will have to file an STR, Suspicious Transaction Reports, to the AMLC. Doon po namin makikita kung yung account na yun ay nawi-withdrawhan. And we have this guidance po to the covered persons to determine who are the transactor. Ang transactor po yung actual person na nagwi-withdraw ng pera. We heard from the news there are massive withdrawals from different bank accounts of contractors, family members of contractors. We can still look into those persons who withdrawn this amount through our process in the AMLC, where we require the covered person or the bank to submit STRA with the